Welcome to Mikecolesvids. I appreciate you tuning in. And thank you very much to all my new and long-time subscribers. And I do know that about 85% of you that are watching right now are not subscribed. So if you dig this kind of content, please hit that button and follow along on our moto adventures. Well, it's a day before Christmas here in East Central Florida. We're heading up to the Moto Farm. That means it's time to braaap. Our Christmas Eve braaap. Got my elf outfit on. Angry elf. Felt faster. I don't know if I am. Jamie, who's head of fleet maintenance. That was janky. What a great day here at the Moto Farm. I want to take a second and just thank everyone for taking the time to watch these videos. It sure is a lot of fun coming out here to the Moto Farm and recreating and enjoying some good old-fashioned braaap fellowship with my broskies. And I want to wish a Merry Christmas to all our military personnel that are out there serving our country and fighting for this freedom. And the folks that just can't be home for the holidays. I really do appreciate everything you do and the sacrifice you make for America, and that's what makes us so fucking great. Yo! Braaap holidays. Braaap holidays.
I'm only gonna do like 3 laps.
International Groomers Union here representing in East Central Florida, laying down that sweet groom on Christmas Eve here at the Moto Farm. I want to wish all our groomers a very Merry Christmas and Braaap holidays. Yo!
3, 2, 1.
Like a boss. Merry Christmas.